Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to build your retail recipes for your products that will add with fallback quantities in your store template. The relationship or recipe between your retail products and your production products are what allows SupplyIt to forecast based on your actual sales. Once built, we'll copy the recipes to your stores. Let's relocate to your store template. Go to the bottom of your workflow and select Activities so that you can see your menu. Select Administration, Catalog, you'll default it Products, and choose your Retail Catalog. You build all of your retail recipes in your Retail Catalog. Build your recipes based on what type of products you are adding. There are three types. The first two use existing products to forecast the new products based on actual sales. You'll add either a new substitute product. This is a temporary product that will be sold in place of an existing product. The new product and the existing product will not both be sold at the same time. Or you'll add a new product that will use sales from an existing product to forecast. The new product will be sold in addition to the existing product. And the third type uses fallback quantities on your templates. In other words, you'll just add the new product and forecasting will begin after the product has 4 weeks of sales history. We are going to build a recipe for a product that will be added with fallback quantities. If you want to build a recipe for a permanent product that will be forecasted immediately from an existing product or a substitute product recipe, please view the appropriate video. As always in SupplyIt, if you are uncertain how to do something, the easiest way to do it is to look at a comparable product. Let's take a look at the double frosted chocolate donut. So let's use a keyword double, apply, and find our donut and edit it and select recipe. You can see the recipe here. The double chocolate frosted production product is in a 1-to-1 relationship, number 1 relationship with the double chocolate frosted retail product, and that recipe is restorative. In other words, you check this box. When checked, ingredients will replenish this product. You do not need to compare your new product to an existing product because we are not using sales from an existing product to forecast the new product. We are using fallback quantities on your templates and waiting for forecasting to kick in after we've gathered 4 weeks of sales for the new product. So let's go ahead and add the retail recipe for our new key lime pie donut. So let's select products, find our donut, we'll type the word key, apply. There it is, edit, and recipe. Okay, you're going to add the recipe now, so select plus add. You're choosing your product from your production catalog. Remember, the production product is in recipe with the retail product. So select production, and we need to find the key lime pie. There it is. Select. Okay, the quantity is 1. Check the restorative box and save changes. So once again, you've got your production product in a 1-to-1 recipe with your key lime retail product, and the relationship is restorative. So you don't need to do anything else. Your recipe is complete. All we need to do now is copy and sync the new retail recipe that we just built in the store template to all of your stores. Let's go back to that double chocolate donut for a minute because I want to show you what this looks like. If you have copied and synced your recipe, you will see this right here. This tells you that 5 locations are synced, that this product, this recipe, has been copied and synced to those 5 locations. Syncing allows you to update data in one location and sync the data so that after it's been copied, any updates made in the original location will also be made in the locations that you've synced. Not all objects are syncable, but recipes are. So let's go ahead and go back to our new product, our key lime pie, because we do need to copy that recipe we just built. So find the key lime pie, select recipe. You can see here that it is not copied and synced. Okay, just wanted to show you that. But to copy, you select up top production, recipes advanced, copy. Select hard, wide, sync. Locations are what you're copying from, so that would be your store template in this case. add locations. That's what you're copying to. So select your stores because you're copying to your stores. We can build you a label that will pull all of your stores, just your stores if you want, and then they will retrieve and you'll select them and select locations. Add the product, which is the retail product. That's where the recipe lies. And we want the key line. So let's find the key line. And there it is. Select products, hit apply, and here's our recipe. Just want to point out, we haven't copied this yet, and you can tell that here too, because you see these green boxes where it says plus add. If this had been copied, and when we do copy it, this will turn to a gray box and it will say, they will say edit. So go ahead and select the source, copy, okay, continue. Okay, and just as I said, the add boxes have turned to edit. So let's just go back and check that. Keyline donut, and we should see exactly what we saw in the chocolate donut. We should select recipe and see that they're synced, which they are. Copying and syncing can affect lots of data at once, so proceed with caution and really focus on the task at hand. These features are meant to save time and decrease potential for errors, but if not careful, you can cause more work for yourself. We've already covered how to copy products from the store template to your stores. Remember that you must copy products before you copy and sync anything else. If you don't have the products in the location, synced information will not update. We've covered how to build your retail recipes for products that will add with fallback quantities until forecasting begins in your store template, and how to copy and sync new recipes to all of your stores. In our next video, we will review how to manage your work order templates for your stores. Thanks for listening.